Welcome to the platform of learning and sharing. Okay, we will use factors method to solve a second order or quadratic equation for evaluating the value of x. Okay, first of all, what we where we start by writing the question as it is: x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Okay, now what we do for such questions, we create a rough workspace in our copies. Okay, now where we coefficient of second order number multiply constant of your equation. Okay, I'm writing the question here also. For not playing, for avoiding the left right game. Okay, so for what we start from where we start creating a rough workspace where we multiply coefficient of x square with a constant which is included in our question. Okay, it is 6. Okay, now the coefficient of x square, here we have don't any number, so it is 1 into multiply constant. The constant for our case is 6. Constant is the number which have no variable. Okay, so our case here is it is 6, so 1 6 we get 6 answer. Okay, now what we do, if this answer is of plus sign, then we look for the two numbers. We will evaluate two numbers from this. Okay, how? We look for the numbers which give a some answer of middle number of our question. Okay, that is 5 for our case. Middle number means the coefficient of x. Okay, two numbers that are added to get 5 and their multiplication answer is 6. Okay, 6 is our coefficient into constant answer. Okay, and their multiplication answer is 6. Okay, think for a while for searching for numbers which give 5 for summing them and we get 6 after multiplying them. What are these two numbers? If you thought like this, 3 and 2, so your answer is absolutely correct. 3 plus 2 5. Okay, and 3 into 2 6. Okay, so 8 is the game. Okay, if our answer first coefficient of x square into constant answer is positive, then we look for two numbers whose sum is the middle number of our question and the multiplication is the multiply answer of coefficient of x square and constant term. Okay, so now what we will do, we use these both terms or values to break this as 3x plus 2x. Okay, so instead of 5x we will write 3x plus 2x in our equation. Okay, now let's move to the solution side. X squared plus, for 5x I will write 3x plus 2x. Okay, as we estimated this from our affection. Okay, now the plus 6 is written as it is on the above. Okay, now what we do, we solve this first and this after solving this. Okay, now this is x squared. Okay, now we take common from both of these. Okay, what is a common thing from these both terms? You say x. Okay, so minimum we consider x, taking x as common between them. Okay, now here was x squared, means x power 2. The one x with 1 power is outside, so what here became 2 minus 1. Here we get x power 1, which is ignored to right. Okay, I am just writing for your reference. Okay, now plus this plus this x was taken common, so we don't write consider writing x again. Here just remains 3. Okay, I hope till here all things are clear. Okay, plus okay, what the common things? No variable or such thing is common between them, but we can consider taking 2 as common, because 6 is divisible by 2. Okay, so what we do, we take 2 as common. Okay, now that 2 besides x is taken common, so I just write x. Okay, because 2 is outside now, plus in place of 6 what will be written? Okay, to answer this I will say, if 2 is taken common as I've written in adjacent of bracket, so 6 divided by 2, what the answer is? 3. 2 3s are 6, right? So the 3 is answer. So in place of 6 I will write 3. Okay, equals 0 are same as above. Okay, now for such type of questions we have to create these both brackets same. Okay, if they are not same, we don't going on a right way to solve for x or getting the right value of x. Okay, in such factorization method we must have same brackets. Okay, for our case we are lucky that we have two same brackets, x plus 3, x plus 3. Okay, now what we do, I take x plus 3 as common. Okay, x plus 3 considered as common between them. Okay, now this x I will write all the remaining things in another bracket. Okay, x is remained, this is taken as common, I have written it already, plus 2, and this is again outside, so now we close the bracket. Okay, from this 2 we get 2 brackets. Okay, equals to 0. Okay, now there is a rule in mathematics that if two get numbers or two things are getting multiplied and equals to 0, suppose 2x into 3y equals to 0. Okay, our mathematics say that if two things are getting multiplied and resulting with 0, then these numbers individually equated to 0. Okay, so as these are both brackets, so but they are getting multiplied between them. Okay, with a hidden sign. So what I do, I will write two equations now. because our mathematics say is these both are equal to 0, okay, individually. So x plus 3 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals 0, okay. Now I have to estimate the value of x. What I do, I consider moving plus 3 to right hand side, okay. So 0 minus 3, okay. 3 minus 0, we have again 3, but the sign will be become of minus sign because of higher number have minus value, okay. Here it is. Now we solve another equation. Also we estimating for x, so we consider moving the plus 2 to the right hand side. Similarly as left, it will become minus 2 on the right hand side. Now 2 minus 0, 2, bigger number minus sign, so answer will also have a minus sign. I hope things are clear. If you have some queries and questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Also, if you want to that I make your video, so just comment in the comment box with your concern or topic. I will make your video, and don't forget to subscribe for such more mathematics and educational videos. Thank you for watching.